Hello everyone. So today I'm really excited to tell you about a new feature that is coming to .NET 6 in C Sharp. Uh, it is date only and time only types in C Sharp. In .NET 6, these two long-awaited types are being introduced, which allow developers to represent either the date or time portion only of the date time type, the date time type that you used for so many years. Uh, the main advantages of this is that these two types will only contain either the date or only the time, because when you use the date time, if you remember, you have to extract the date element when you wanted it, and a time element separately. But in this date only and time only, you can only store and fetch uh, either the date part in the date only and time part in the time only. So like this is helpful in various scenarios. Like here I will show you an example. Like in date only, we have these year, month, and day of the week. Okay. In date time, we defined like this. It outputted the date like this. But when we use date only, it will only output this. Okay, only the date part. So it is very useful, and especially when it's come to the time zone convergence. It's a really hard task to convert it the correct time, because sometimes we get the yesterday's time after the conversion. So uh, this is a very good addition by Microsoft in the next .NET version, and I was waiting it for many years. Also, we have this is like time only here. This is the time only example. Okay, like we will only get the time part. You don't have to do extra processing to extract the time part from date time. You just have to console.write the variable as it is. These are actually struct types, and they are in the system namespace. Mm, and these type also align well with SQL Server date and type data types. You can easily assign these two to the SQL Server variables, okay, or parameters. You can say, and so here we see like why Microsoft didn't just name them date and time only. Sorry, without the only. Uh, they named it like time only and date only. Why the only here? Why? Because in Visual Basic we have a keyword date, which actually converts to, which is actually an alias of date and time. So it will be a conflict in Visual Studio. So to remove that conflict, they added only type. So this was the main reason. So I think this is a very good feature. Tell me if you really liked it, because I really liked it, and I was waiting for such data type. So tell me in comments. Thank you for watching.